Working with text in Claritee is quite simple and intuitive. Let's create a new section and we'll add some text here. Up in the top left, I have the button that I can use for text. It's the big T. So I just select that and click in, and then I have the option to select my sizing. Now, once I've made the selection, I can always change it up here. I can increase the size. I can also double click here and add a number and press enter, and it will resize like that. And I can also select from the existing options. Now, if I want to change those default options, I can come over here in the bottom left to settings, and then I have text settings, and I can make the changes here. So that's how you use text. Now, it's very important to point out that if I make any changes here, it will change my future selections. It won't change my previous text. So if I have lots of other text with different sizes selected here, I need to change each of those individually manually. But I can make a change here, and future text is going to take on those characteristics. I click apply, and now my next bit of text, my heading will be as large as I've set it.